Aquarium helps us release stress and strain and live out a life of ease. We Spring suggests a new style aquarium, which is to be viewed from the top. The habit of keeping fish ascends to the ancient times, when people placed fish that were not eaten, that is, ornamental fish, in a pond in their garden. In the 17th century, ornamental fish were commonly kept in a glass bowl which was placed inside a house. In the 20th century, along with the improved technology, aquarium was built to be larger. Then, in 2010, overturning the conventional wisdom of aquarium, we invented, patented, and started selling bird's eye aquarium, which can be viewed from the top clearly. In order to be viewed from the top clearly, bird's eye aquarium is just made by putting a cover on top of an overflowing aquarium. This is surprisingly simple. However, the bird's eye aquarium we are having now is different from the initial one. It has been improved technically after several attempts. This is the result of hard work and accident. Bird's eye aquarium is placed in the center of a room, so you can be aware of the existence of fish when compared to traditional aquarium. Besides, because bird's eye aquarium is placed in somewhere close to you, you can be aware of the preciousness of life and enjoy bird's eye aquarium with your family, lover, and everyone. Equipped with standard parts like water pump and lights, bird's eye aquarium can be installed by a beginner easily. Moreover, with the largest possible space under the table, huge filtering space is available. Made by acrylic and glass, bird's eye aquarium is suitable for both freshwater and saltwater fishes. Also, in addition to the attached LED lights, it is easy to let in light from the top. Growing water plant being possible, bird's eye aquarium can satisfy laymen as well. The top glass plate is made of safe tempered glass. For the decoration at the side, you can choose one which fits the design of your house. Besides, on wheels, bird's eye aquarium can be moved even when it is full of water. The cover of the top glass plate helps keep water inside the aquarium during earthquake. Besides, since this is an aquarium viewed from the top, the center of gravity is too low to have it overturned. Have you ever been snorkeling in the southern countries? Viewing fish from the top doesn't make you feel surprised and uncomfortable. Although fish have a stronger alertness to feel sideward, they do not possess the ability to swoop to prey on others. In this connection, they do not resist anything from the top. Please consider this point and try to make your own layout. However, topographically, the method of planning a layout from the top has not yet been commonly adopted. Please, everyone, do think for us. Aquarium is a worldwide healing item. This is not changing from the past to the present and to the future. Being the first aquarium to be built from the top clearly in the world, bird's eye aquarium has been entering the markets in Hong Kong and Macau. In the near future, we'll show it to the Western countries and the whole world.